Also, ciao ihr wunderschönen Menschen, willkommen zu der letzten Episode von The Wolf Among Us. Endlich ist es soweit. Und da die ganzen coolen Sachen, ja, ich will... Ja, dann schaue ich halt nicht nochmal alle Episodenbilder an, weil das anscheinend zu schwer ist. So. Ja. Tassel. Star Citizen kommt dran und auch SWTOR.
I mean, the
Ach.
eyes and the teeth.
Okay,
You're
warte
not
mal.
really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Ja. Dum.
No.
Holly's sister, Lily.
I just don't know what Bigby's doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit.
That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
Ja.
We're destroying the tree. No!
We're not burning the tree, Snow.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you?
Das tat mir echt leid.
Look, maybe a few will get sent up, but you're my friend, Colin. I wouldn't do that to you.
Oh God, Bigby!
This time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
Bigby, wait. When you get the Crooked Man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial.
Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Ja, das war das letzte. Aber ich finde auch die Musik so geil. Ich finde einfach das ganze Spiel so super toll. Ja, jetzt soll es gehen. Also ich sehe auf jeden Fall die Links.
You've come a long way.
Ja.
You must be tired.
Ich freue mich so auf geschätzte 2 Stunden Spaß mit Bigby Wolf. Aber dann das traurige Ende. Ich denke, es ist traurig, weil es von Telltale
And if my envoys are correct,
ist.
you haven't had a lot of rest
Das war doch der
recently.
Wichser aus dem anderen Laden da hinten.
Please, Sheriff. Relax for a moment, will you?
Video?
Do you want a drink? Something to eat? Vivian makes a very nice, it's elegant. Really, a carpaccio. It's lobster. Sirloin.
I'm here for one reason, and it's not to eat your fucking food.
Really?
Wer ist das denn?
What do you think you're doing?
He's gonna.
Mr. Wolf is our guest, and I have every intention of cooperating. So don't waste the silver. Sit down, Jersey.
Und ich kenne einige von den Figuren leider nicht.
For
Das
the sake of transparency,
Schade.
why don't you tell us why you're here? It would help settle everyone's nerves, I think.
You're destroying this town. You've been doing it for ages.
Destroying this town? What on earth do you mean?
Oh mein
What the
Gott.
hell do you think I mean? Slavery? Kidnapping? Extortion? Murder? What would you call the wholesale corruption of Fabletown?
Hi,
Call it
gonna
the
slap.
baseless accusation of a desperate sheriff.
Gonna
How are
slapped.
you certain this isn't
Was auch immer.
conspiracy against me? I'm a well-connected man. Well moneyed. People do like to take their shots at me.
Don't try to play me. It won't work.
I'm not trying to control you. I have no need for treachery, Bigby.
Was ganz schön ist, schreibt doch mal eure Vermutungen in die Kommentare, in den Chat rein, wie ihr denkt, das Spiel wird ausgehen jetzt in 2 Stunden. Ich bin gespannt, ob einer draufkommt. Ich habe echt keine Ahnung. Ich weiß nicht, wer die Frauen umgebracht hat. Also, alles deutet auf ihn hin, aber man weiß es nicht.
The recent murders that have gotten such attention as of late, I don't relish telling you that they were perpetrated by an employee of mine. It's a very unfortunate bit of business, but I promise you that the matter will be dealt with internally. I just want to settle the issue for you and to assure you that it's over
Aber
with.
ich weiß doch nicht, wer es getan
Don't need
hat.
to worry yourself further.
An unfortunate bit of business. You're gonna tell me right now who killed him.
Sheriff, I have complete respect for you and your job. I hope you know that. But I simply can't divulge that information. You really shouldn't worry yourself.
Welcher
Like I
Hund?
said, I've got this under control.
No, I'm gonna deal with it right now.
Yeah, right. What do you think this is? Some kind of negotiation? The man said he'd take care of it. So why don't you take the hint and get out?
I'm the law.
I am
not
the
you.
law.
Now tell me who did it.
Or what? You're gonna kill me too?
Yes,
Go
maybe.
ahead. You think I give a shit anymore? After what you did?
That's enough! I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but in the interest of preserving our alliance,
Aber den Befehl
you
gab der
have
Herr
to
mit dem
know
Sheriff
who's Georgie.
spricht.
However, like I said, I'd be handling the matter if you don't mind.
Georgie.
You got what you wanted, so just...
Sit down. Now.
Das ist der Dingster-Verkäufer. Das ist der aus dem Stripclub.
So what?
Er hat die umgebracht. Ich habe gar nicht zugehört.
You should have just kept your nose where it fucking belonged.
Why'd you do it?
Oh mein
killed
Gott. Er hat die umgebracht, die Frauen.
Does it matter?
Look, the fact is, George here misinterpreted one of my instructions.
Misinterpreted?
And I want to make things right. So, let's work something
Ich werde sie
out.
alle umbringen
What's there to
einfach.
work out? I'm protected, aren't I?
Your protection has limits, and I think you've far exceeded yours.
Ja.
But you could murder someone in cold blood like that.
You fucking asked me to do this.
And then
you told me
attempt
to
to
kill
blame
him.
me for it.
Oh. Jetzt
You
streiten
will
sie
be
sich
silent
aber.
while we discuss what to do with you.
This is right bollocks, sis. You're just gonna let him do this?
Alle schauen sie weg.
So what do you say, Sheriff? Can we discuss terms? You can have Georgie. Consider it a gift, ensuring our continued cooperation.
What the hell?
Take this fucker. Take all of them.
Na gut.
All right, let's talk.
You can't just hand me over. What the fuck is this shit? You said you'd cover for us.
For minor infractions, not murder.
Just go with him, Georgie. You're gonna sink us all.
What's wrong with you people? You're really gonna sell him out just like
You
that?
think I give a fuck if I'm the one? Who the shit do you think you fuckers
Get
are?
the fuck out of here!
I do apologize, Sheriff, but I think it's best if you leave now.
There's no way I'm going with him.
How about
you kidding
no?
me?
Things are about to get unpleasant, and I would rather you weren't here to watch.
You can
Ich
go join
bleib
that
da
whore
auf
at the
jeden
bottom of
Fall
the
da,
lake
du
for arguing
Wichser.
shit, but he's not taking me anywhere. I'll roll over on the lot of you before I let that shit happen.
What are you saying? Yeah, what the fuck? You're gonna make sure we all go down this shitter with you?
I'm not going anywhere.
This could have gone so well.
Nee, könnt's nicht.
To speak the truth, I've never been a very good mediator. Why negotiate when you can just decide?
Sie ist ein Vampir oder was? Ach so, okay.
Did I miss anything good?
Und wer ist das? Ich kenne die ganzen. Ich kenne viele
Well,
Fabeln
look at
nicht,
you
leider.
all fixed up.
Oh mein Gott, der alte Trick von Bud Spencer, natürlich. Oh shit, oder? Das ist der Gemüsehändler. Fuck you. Oh, Ich stehe so auf die Story von Telltale. Die machen das so gut. Was? Das?
You're done, Wolf.
Come on, we're pretty much done here.
Ach nö, oder?
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Au! Du Arschloch, selber schuld. Das ist einfach, das ist schön sowas. So gefällt mir das. Ja! Schlitz ihn auf! Schlitze ihn. Schlitz, Schlitz, Schlitz.
This way.
Go away, bitch. Oh, bring jeden um. Bring einfach jeden um. Und jetzt reiß ihm seinen Kopf raus. Und scheiß ihm in den Hals. Wow. Das sind, glaube ich, so Portale, so Geheimportale. Oder irgendwas.
Shit.
I know.
Ich hoffe, du stirbst, du Wichser. Warum hilft sie denn jetzt, verdammt? Na, 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 na. Du fährst nirgendwo hin, du blöde Kuh, du. Blöde Schlampe. Das Scheißdreck. Oh, und Wiese fährt gleich. Was ist das? Wow. Ich mach doch kurz. Nur kurz. Ein bisschen. Ah, das brüllt mir so ins Ohr, das Ding. Ach, das ist ja Master, toll. So. So viel Action High. Na, da wir. Ricardo. Servus. So. Oh nein. Diese Jackie Chan Moves. Ich werd verrückt. Geil. Ja, keine Ahnung, wo die hin ist, verdammt. Ich dachte, er klettert da hoch oder so, aber er kann einfach die Tür nehmen, wie langweilige Werwölfe. Da ist sie doch, die blöde Kuh. Ey, die fährt doch viel zu schnell, das kannst du doch vergessen, Big B. Er könnte doch fliegen, wie Superman. Mich interessiert ja, was das Ding da unten bedeuten soll. Dieser Zeitstreifen. Oh, shit.
Fuck, what was that?
Ja, was war das nur, du Depp? Oh nein, das war der Crooked Man. Ah. Fuck that, bitch. Ja, selber schuld. Na, na, du schüttelst nix ab heute. Du Arsch, du. Ah. Damn it. Ich dachte, die fährt über mich drüber, hey. Ach komm, steh auf und hinterher, du. Kannst doch was aushalten, ne? Weil das Schöne war ja, wir wurden ja so verletzt beim letzten Mal, dass wir eigentlich ein paar Wochen nichts machen sollten, ne? Und so.
Are you sure?
Weil wir sonst sterben würden, ne?
He's not moving.
Keep going.
No. Ach scheiße, ich wollte doch eigentlich nicht weg. Mann. Aber ich musste, sonst wäre ich gestorben, denke ich. Verdammt.
Come on.
Ich will doch nur die Bösen jagen. Ja, hinter und aufs Maul. Kräftig ins Gesicht. Volles Pfund aufs Maul. Ja, weil wir jetzt doch so ein toller Detektiv sind, tun wir mal so, als ob wir da was untersuchen würden. Ne? Weil die Sache ist ja so, die Mädchen, die Strip-Mädchen, die dürfen ja nichts sagen. Ach so, okay. Die dürfen ja nichts sagen, weil die so ein Ribbon umhaben, so ein am Hals, so ein Ribbon. Und... Ach, ich kann sogar gehen. Hey, ich habe alles vergessen, was ich weiß. Und... Sonst hätten die ja uns gesagt, aber sie können nicht. Jetzt hilft sie mir auch noch. Was soll denn das? Eine von ihren Freundinnen ist gestorben. Scheiße, jeder stirbt. Mann. Ich will doch nur alle helfen und retten.
Come on. We can't stay here.
Of course.
Hang on. I need a minute.
Okay.
Der braucht überhaupt nichts. Ein Backel Fotzen braucht er. Das ist alles. Ja. Ich werde jetzt ihn zerfleischen und dann werde ich sie essen.
Hello, Bigby.
Hi there.
I hoped you'd come to your senses.
Du hast doch sitzen bleiben können, Mensch.
Crooked Man's the one you want. But of course, you're too much of an idiot to see that. Or maybe you just like me too much to let me go. That it, Sheriff?
I'm taking you in, Georgie. Let's go.
Ah ja, sonst regt sich wieder Elizabeth auf, oder wie sie heißt.
Carry me.
Please, Sheriff.
No.
Haven't you done enough? Look at him. He's dying.
Vivian.
You can't seriously want to protect this guy. You know what he did.
I'm not going anywhere.
Ich werde sie auch verhaften einfach. Die
It
blöde
isn't his
Bitch.
fault.
He's a murderer. Faith and Lily, he's the reason they're dead.
Ja.
Look, I know he made a few mistakes.
A few
We
mistakes?
all have.
What? He made sure they couldn't talk with those damn ribbons, and then he killed them.
Yes.
You're wearing one yourself. Doesn't that bother you even a little, knowing that man murdered...
Of course it does. Those girls...
So it's all my fucking fault then.
I
You
didn't mean-
fucking... Ah! You're gonna
Alter.
throw me to the fucking wolf too?
Heul
You
halt
know
rum,
I
du
didn't have a
Pussy.
goddamn choice. What the fuck? I did what I had to! You can't fucking blame me for that.
Look,
Why'd you do it then, huh? If it's not your fault, then what the fuck happened?
Look, Faith and the others tried to pull a run on us. And as you can imagine, the Crooked Man wasn't too thrilled.
Na gut.
But of course, the big boss didn't want to get his fucking hands dirty.
Dirty.
So he told me to take care of it. You think I don't know what that means? Either I do what he says or I'm the one getting dealt with.
Okay.
So I fucking killed him. And I'd do it again. 'Cause it's not my fault. The Crooked Man gave the order. He told me to kill them. And then he
Mich würde
fucking
interessieren,
sold me
was
out.
passiert wäre, wenn ich auf
Both
sein
you can go rot in
Hausauto
hell.
gesprungen
Do you think
wäre, auf
I'm
die
the one
Crooked
to
Mans.
fucking blame?
You're still the one who pulled the trigger. Nobody held your hand and made you go through with it.
Fine. Believe what you want. I can tell you've made up your mind. Doesn't matter if it's fucking true or not. Go ahead and arrest me then. But it won't bring back Lily or Faith. It won't free your friend Narissa. And I'm just the sap taking the fall for the whole thing.
Scheiße, stimmt.
It must be so easy being you. Just come in here and blame me for all this shit. Job's done, right? George is the bad guy. It's all his fucking fault.
Ja, das ist ein schöner Akzent.
But what was I
Really
supposed
nice.
to do? You don't know what it's like, Bigby. How could you know? At the end of the day, you're just like him. Coming here, talking about options. Like it was that simple.
You could have done anything else. You could have let them go. You could have...
Das ist das
freed them
Fabelwesen Engländer.
instead of murdering them.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking
Oh,
about.
der war echt gut, Hassel.
If I freed them,
So what?
what would
What?
you have me do? Kill her?
Georgie, don't.
It was them or Vivian. So you tell me, if freeing Lily meant she had to die,
Hä?
do you still think I had a fucking choice?
What are you doing?
What are you talking about?
This is the original.
Nein.
The girl with the ribbon. I'm sure you've heard the stories.
Nee, hab ich nicht.
Couldn't take it off, couldn't talk about it. She used her little purple ribbon to make more of them. To keep our girls quiet. To ensure absolute discretion.
You promised you wouldn't.
All that magic is connected to this little thing. You remove hers, and the spell's broken. They're all free. But you know what happens to her? The same thing that happened to Faith. So don't you come in here and tell me I fucked up.
What the hell, Georgie? We were supposed to look out for each other.
Oh.
I trusted you.
You can't fucking blame me. You're not innocent here either.
I know that. But did it have to
Aber
be like
warum hat sie das
this?
gemacht, verdammt?
Wait, those were your ribbons? You're in on this? I thought you cared about them.
I do. Of course I do. You have to understand.
Warum denn?
Nobody was supposed to die.
Na, dann sag mir doch, was los ist.
It was just a stupid idea. A gimmick. Discretion is our guarantee. That's how it started anyway.
Ah, natürlich.
This was supposed to be our place. We were gonna be in charge for once, and nobody would try to control us or use us. That was the point.
Ah, ja.
Then the Crooked Man showed up and everything just turned to shit.
So, do you get it now? Why I couldn't just...
Ja, ja. Passt
If you
schon.
still think it's so fucking simple, then you do it. Go right ahead. Kill her then.
What are you doing?
Break the spell. Save the fucking day.
Stop it!
I told you, sometimes all your options are shit.
Was mache ich
What the fuck are
denn?
you supposed to do then?
Was mache ich denn? Hä? Es wird wahrscheinlich sehr knapp sein. Aber ich darf sie nicht töten, sonst regt sich die andere auf. Also... Nein!
Talk about me like I'm not
Ah,
even
war
here.
zu spät, was zu
Please.
drücken.
You think this is hard for you? My life is such a fucking burden on your conscience. Don't I get a say? It's my life. Like it was either of yours to give up in the first place.
Ah,
Vivian,
shit.
this is the way it has to be.
I know that.
Wait.
But you're not going to be the one to do it. I'm sick of everyone thinking that they can just do what they want with my life.
Ja.
I thought it would be different here. But it's all the fucking
Vivian.
Die Sportart
Do you
Cricket.
think I wanted to be this person? What I did to Faith and Lily?
Aber
All of them.
Vivian, wait.
Every day I have to look Gwen and Hans in the eye and pretend I don't care. I have to forget what I've done to them. What I took away from them.
her life.
I look at Narissa and I hate myself.
Na dann,
Vivian.
pull the rim,
What are
bitch.
you doing?
Vivian, don't. Vivian, no!
Nein!
Fuck! No, 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 no!
Nein!
Vivian! Shit!
Just... Jesus.
Jesus! Fuck! Me!
I didn't fucking mean it. I was just... Oh.
Heul doch nicht so. Sie hat ihren scheiß Kopf verloren, ey. Oh, Scheißendreck. Ist das Spiel krass. Seine Gedärme schauen schon raus.
Don't think so, Bigby.
Die sagen schon mal Hallo.
I'm gonna die here. I think we both know that. Just make sure you give the Crooked Man the same treatment when you find him.
Ach, scheiße.
Really fuck him up for me, alright?
He's gonna have it worse. Don't worry.
But Georgie is gonna die, isn't he?
Old foundry by the river, alright? Shepherd Metalworks.
Das kommt in Zeitlupe, Tassel. Keine Angst.
Fucking asshole.
Keine Angst. Ich könnte ihn mal wenigstens erlösen oder so. Ja.
Or do you plan to kick me around a little first? Rip my limbs off one by one? That's what you want to do, right? Well, whatever it is, just get it over with.
That's not who I am.
Sure it's not. No more games, alright? We both know how this ends. Just make it quick.
Ja. Ich bin doch schon ein netter Mensch, also.
Right, Georgie.
Ich dachte, ich kann ihm wenigstens einen Hals abschlitzen oder so. Und nicht einfach nochmal in die Wunde rein da. Mann. Oh mein Gott, ist das krass. Feel the thunder. Shit, Dreck. Wow, also das war jetzt gerade übel, was man da jetzt gesehen hat. Fucking Scheißendreck, hey. Ich mag ihn überhaupt nicht, ich mag Georgie überhaupt nicht, aber ich dachte, Vivi ist cool oder so. Wow, das wäre, aber was hilft denn das jetzt? Mensch. Ein Scheißdreck, oder? Ich hätte gern gewusst, was passiert wäre, wenn ich auf The Crooked Mans Auto gesprungen wäre. Das wäre echt cool gewesen. Auf die da. Ah, er hätte 1 Stunde überlebt. Na toll. Dankeschön. Natürlich ist er hier schon. Oh, ich bin gespannt, ob Bigby stirbt. Ja, mach halt einfach die Tür auf, Alter. Wow, das war krasser Scheißdreck. Das war epischer krasser Scheißdreck. Wow. Na gut, also ich denke, was ich gemacht habe, ist nicht so qualvoll gewesen für ihn. Weil er wenigstens gleich gestorben ist und eine Stunde noch gewartet hat. Ah, das war auch im letzten Teil. Ah, und deswegen, ja, Mensch. Alles ergibt einen Sinn. Aber ich glaube, ich muss nochmal das komplette Spiel von vorne spielen. Und andere Entscheidungen treffen. Auch wenn es Ende, denke ich.
Bigby Wolf.
Dings der Bumster.
The big bad wolf.
I am the one who knocks. Hä? Ein Sarg?
You used to be something.
Ach nein. Was ist denn gelogen jetzt? Oh ja, das waren sie mit ihren Ribbons, glaube ich. Ja, ich erinnere mich wieder. Überhaupt nicht.
They used to fear you.
Die haben sogar das Wheel da. Ja, saukrass.
They'd hide anywhere their small shivering bodies would fit.
Okay, ich gehe dann nochmal über die Brücke. Cool. Ich bin gespannt, welche Sachen eigentlich man übersieht, weil die überall gut platziert sind, wenn es so welche gibt. Ich hoffe, es gibt so welche. Ist da irgendwas? Nein, natürlich nicht. Ah, ja. Oh, Silberkugeln. Okay. Yep.
It's about time you showed up.
I had to take care of some things first.
Little errand boy. That's nice.
Ah, Bigby. I see you made it here in one piece. I do apologize, but I have some business to attend to. I leave you in the capable hands of my associate. Come find me when you finish, dear.
Arschloch,
Don't worry. This won't take long.
Get out of my way now. Don't make this worse.
Aw, he doesn't want to play.
I'm sure you'll persuade him.
Wow, what a man. Stealing punches while my back is turned.
Hat sie doch auch
Didn't your
gemacht.
mother ever teach you to fight proper?
Ja, Bitch. Ach, jetzt ist sie wieder unsichtbar. Ich freue mich auch auf das Borderlands-Spiel von Telltale und auf das Game of Thrones-Spiel von Telltale und auf alle anderen Spiele von Telltale, weil die echt gut sind. Finde ich echt klasse. Ich denke, ich sehe sie schon irgendwo. Entweder ist sie jetzt da oder ich schmeiß sie in einen Kessel voller Gold. Was rennt sie denn rum in der Beknackte? Sie war doch da oben, ich habe sie doch gesehen. Ja, Charsel, das Telltale Game of Thrones Spiel. Habe ich auf jeden Fall gelesen. Naja, Kessel voll Gold. Kessel, Khaleesi. Also. Wow. Ist sie Vampir oder was? Was ist sie denn bitte? Warum will ich denn überhaupt darüber? Sie ist doch gar nicht mehr da drüben. So. Hey. Alter, ich hab mich doch verteidigt. Ach so, hab ich. Ah, fuck.
Where are you? Come out and face me.
Hinter ihm ist sie. Oh shit, wer ist sie denn bitte? Ja, wer ist denn sie? Alter, wer ist denn sie? Ich will die Farbe kennen. Kennt wer die Farbe von der? Ouchie, ouchie, ouchie. Fucking übler Shit. Blood Mary oder wie heißt sie? Oh mein Gott. Oh, ich dachte, wir fallen in den Kessel rein. Wie schade. Wie heißt es? Alpecin. Doping für die Haare. Für alle Haare. Sie ist voll übel. Und warum ist sie jetzt überall? Oh, verdammte Scheiße. Ich hab doch getroffen. Au. Das ist ja echt unfair. Die muss doch warten, bis ich mit der einen fertig bin. Aber sie wird doch nie im Leben, wird sie selber angreifen, hey. Oh, shit. Shit, shit, shit. Fucking Scheiße. Was? Was? Was ist da denn los mit dem? Oh mein Gott. Oh yeah. Ich glaube, sie ist es. Das habe ich doch gerade gar nicht machen wollen. Verdammt. Hör auf, irgendwas zu sagen, Tarsel. Spoiler mir nicht mein Game weg, du. Ha. Spider-Man. Nice! Oh nein! 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 Oh nein! Scheiße. Woher wusstest du denn, dass es einen Hund gibt, Tarsel? Du Spoilerer, du. Du Spoilerer, du. Ein Scheißdreck stirbt der Hund, ja? Ein Scheißdreck. Oh Mann, ey. Weil der ist ein Wolf. Big B ist ein fucking Wolf. Und man kommt nicht zufällig drauf oder man denkt, ach, der könnte sich in einen Hund verwandeln, einen riesigen Werwolfshund. Schwachsinn. Ich werde ihm so in Arsch.
Hello, Bigby. You look tired.
Give me one good reason not to rip you apart right now.
This gun holds 6 rounds of special.
Halt's Maul, du Bitch.
I won't miss next time.
Aber es ist nur noch 2 Kugeln da, oder?
With me, I thought I should point out a few things.
Ja, ja, ja. Tasel, hast dich verraten, ne?
Doesn't she? And that's what I want.
That's right. But what happens to you once you get there is a different story.
I'm not quite finished. You will bring me back alive. Look, all I ask for is the chance to speak for myself in front of the community.
How about
And I'm sure
no?
Miss White would agree that I should be given a fair trial. Can we at least agree on that? I will have a trial.
The whole town will be calling for your execution. Why would you want me to bring you back there?
Why don't you let me worry about that? Look, there's no reason for us to be at each other's throats here.
That's funny, coming from a guy pointing a gun at my...
This is just a precaution. I'm sure you understand. I'm no murderer, Mr. Wolf.
Nein.
Didn't kill those women.
Ja, das
And
stimmt.
I think you know that. All I'm asking for is a chance to explain my side of the story.
Maybe you didn't carry it out. But I don't think Georgie was lying when he said you ordered their deaths.
Georgie would have said anything to save himself. We both know that. I'm a businessman, not a killer.
Ja.
There's still a lot you have to answer for.
And I will, as long as you agree to my terms. Because I'm not saying another word until I'm brought before the community.
Ich würde ihn jetzt so gern töten jetzt
I
einfach.
don't mean to belabor the point, but just so we're clear, if you change your mind and decide to do something
Ich würde gern something stupid
you
machen.
won't get your answers. But you will have a difficult time explaining yourself to Miss White and the rest of this miserable town. You're often reckless. And I worry
Springt
you're
nach
not
hinten
thinking it
runter.
through. Let me ask you an honest question. What do you really care about here? Where this case is concerned, I mean. Do you really want the truth? Or do you just want to look like the hero?
I'm doing this for Faith, because she and Lily died, and someone is gonna answer for that.
Then why are you here? You know who murdered them.
Ja und?
Georgie.
Aber nicht, weil er wollte.
He's dead, isn't he? My point being, the killer has been dealt with. You've won.
Nein, habe ich
You
nicht.
really think I'm that stupid?
I understand you have an obligation to bring me in, but you can brighten up a little. It's over. So, shall we get going? I'd rather not dawdle.
Ah, was mache ich denn da, liebe Zuschauer? Verdammt. Ich weiß es gerade echt nicht, was ich machen soll. Let's go. Oder ich werde ihm sofort aufs Maul zünden. Was würdet ihr machen? Die erste Antwort, denke ich, nehme ich. Ich werde eh nochmal alles durchspielen werden müssen. Und dann die andere Seite nehmen. Das könnten wir auch in einem Marathon machen. Mach alles, um ihn zu töten.
Actually looking forward to seeing Miss White again.
Gut.
I don't think so. We're not doing this your way.
How unfortunate. I was hoping we could make this work.
Hast du schon mal was von Ausweichen gehört? Ah! Ah! Ach Mann, ey. Ich dachte, ich habe eine Sekunde Zeit, um ihn... Ah, nö, nochmal von vorn, natürlich. Ah, so viel Spaß. Oh ja. Tasel, du.
Hello, Bigby. You look tired.
Give me one good reason not to rip you apart right now.
This gun holds 6 rounds of specially designed silver bullets. Now, I may not be the best shot, but I can guarantee that at least one bolt will meet its mark, and you'll find yourself rolling on the floor in agony, unable to heal yourself. Without Swinehart to save you, you'll die.
Der Tarsel schreibt ohne Ende und die anderen
Before you do anything with
holen
me,
sich ein
I
Eis
thought I should point out a few things.
oder ein
Snow
Picknick.
White wants you to bring me back to the woodlands, doesn't she?
Of
And
course
that's
she
what I
does.
want.
You sure about that?
Yes, I'm quite sure. You will bring me back alive. Look, all I ask for is the chance to speak for myself in front of the community. And I'm sure Miss White would agree that I should be given a fair trial. Can we at least agree on that? I will have a trial.
How about I bring your corpse back to the woodlands instead?
You're not going to kill me.
I am.
Life on that?
Oh, was für ein dummer Wichser, hey.
That's funny.
Ich würde ihn jetzt eigentlich schon gern. Aber er wird bestimmt Miss White töten.
I'm no murderer, Mr. Wolf.
Ah,
I
Mann.
didn't kill those women. And I think you know that.
Weil bisher war ich ein ziemlicher Arsch.
To explain my side of the story.
Ich kann es auch nicht überspringen, was die jetzt gerade sagen. Also, ich habe jetzt den einen Typen getötet, ich habe immer alle beleidigt. Dann bin ich jetzt mal immer noch ein Arsch und nächstes Mal bin ich ein guter Junge. Ein guter Wolf. Ein guter Hund.
There's still a lot you have to answer for.
And I will, as long as you agree to my terms. Because I'm not saying another word until I'm brought before the community. And I don't think I'm being unreasonable.
Oh, Mann.
If you decide to do something stupid, like murder me, you won't get your answers.
Miss White erinnert mich so an Booker DeWitt und an Elizabeth. Elizabeth ist ja Booker DeWitts Tochter. Cha 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 cha.
And I worry you're not thinking
Ja.
of... Let me ask you an honest question.
Fuck
What do you really
you.
care about here? Where this case is concerned, I mean. Do you really want the
Ja.
truth?
I'm doing this for Faith, because she and Lily died, and someone is gonna answer for that.
Then why are you here? You know who murdered them. Georgie. He's dead,
Der
isn't
Typ
he?
stinkt.
My point being, the killer has been dealt with. You've won.
You
Ja,
really think I'm that stupid?
genau so
I
geht es.
understand you have an obligation to bring me in. But you can brighten up a little.
A little?
It's over. So, shall we get going?
Oh,
No.
I don't think so. We're not doing
No.
this your way.
How unfortunate. I was hoping we could...
Halt's Maul.
What are you gonna do now? Rip me apart like some kind of animal?
Das wäre eine schöne Sache, ja.
Me here would achieve nothing. And what would Miss White think? You show up with nothing but a clue. No answers, no proof.
Ja, Proof.
You'll never know the truth.
Ah, was mache ich gern? Entscheidet mit mir, los. Mann, ihn töten oder ihn zu Snow White bringen, verdammt. Das ist echt eine Sache. Ja, Tarsel will ihn leiden sehen. Aber Snow White ist so beschissen sauer auf mich. Und das ist ja unschön. Oh Mann. Ja, ich werde jetzt ein dummer Arsch sein und dann nächstes Mal bin ich ein netter Arsch.
And she'll barely stand to look
Halt's
at you.
Maul jetzt.
This is it for you.
Ja, hau mich nicht so fest, du. Das ist alles, ich wehr mich bloß.
You've said enough.
Yes! Oh, warum blutet der denn jetzt so, der Typ? Oh, warum fällt denn sein Kopf jetzt gleich ab? Ich würde ihm ins Gesicht treten, ne? Ich würde ihn hinterher schleifen an einem dreckigen Seil. Ja. Naja, ich hatte keine Wahl. Weiß ja niemand. Ja, eben. Weiß ja niemand. So.
Where the hell is Bigby?
Oh, come on.
Where is he?
Are you fucking kidding
Are
me?
we sure he's coming?
Yes, any minute. And then we'll get started. I really appreciate you taking the time. I know it's short notice.
Die haben
but
doch nichts
given
zu
the
tun.
circumstances-
Mensch, die können doch da warten einfach. Ich hätte ihn mit einem dreckigen Seil dahin gezogen.
What have you done?
Werfe ihn einen Topf voll Gold. Ist mir scheißegal. Der war schon tot, ich hab den so gefunden.
Stop it.
Bestimmt ist der Böse. Bestimmt ist Blackbeard der Böse, oder wie der heißt.
You ripped him apart. I
Ich hab
told you to
den-
bring him back alive.
You really fucked him up.
What did you do? He's all...
You did this to him?
Der war schon so.
Just calm down.
I thought I wanted him gone. But this...
It's terrible. No, it isn't.
Ja.
The hell happened? Tell me. Tell me why you did this.
I think it's pretty clear.
nearly ripped his head off.
Ja,
I was
und?
just defending myself. It was him or me.
That's not what it looks like, buddy. Tore that fucker apart. I get it, but
You call that self-defense?
Ja. Self-defense against the fruit.
Did you really have to murder the man?
hang on. It's not murder.
Then what would you call it?
Justice, maybe?
This is not justice. You know
This is Sparta.
this is Bigby Wolf doing whatever the hell he wants.
Which, in this case,
It's too late for that discussion now. He's dead, so let's move on.
So that's it.
Ja.
We can't just move on.
Warum denn nicht?
That's all you have to say.
What are you getting on his case about? He did the right thing here. If this fucker killed Lily...
And Faith. How can we be sure of that? Without a trial, what evidence do we have? We never had anything concrete. That's why we needed him here.
The Crooked Man ordered their deaths.
Oh
He's
mein
behind it.
Gott.
Ordered it. Well, then who the fuck did it?
Georgie did.
Georgie?
Where's Georgie now? If we bring him into questioning...
Der ist auch tot.
What? Where is he?
Bigby? Is he still out there?
I sincerely hope not.
Georgie was a victim of this psycho, too. He was pushed into the whole thing.
That doesn't answer the question.
Aktive
Georgie and the Crooked Man
Selbstverteidigung.
were guilty of murder. I made sure they couldn't
Na, das
hurt
war ja jetzt nicht so.
You mean...
So he's dead. Is that what you're telling me?
Bitch.
I don't even know what to say to you right now.
Maybe that's not such a bad thing.
You're on board with this?
I don't know. I mean, it's not like the Crooked Man didn't deserve it. And if Georgie killed them...
You think anyone deserves this?
Ja, der Crooked Man. Verdammt, bist du blind oder was?
Your job is to keep Fabletown safe.
Und das ist es
The minute
jetzt.
you start abusing your position by attacking people, we betray the trust of this community.
Scheißdreck tun wir.
And killing those people out there on your own without due process. It makes us look like
America.
How could you do this?
It's just one thing after another.
Look, I'm glad he's fucking dead. But like this?
What does it really matter?
He could do this to any of us.
Things got out of hand. I just wasn't thinking.
I can't believe this. I made myself very clear.
Ja, das weiß ich.
This is not okay.
Naja,
Snow's
dann.
right. This is disgusting.
Das ist Sparta.
What? Are you guys buddy-buddy with the Crooked Man all of a sudden? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Gran.
Everyone, that's enough.
That's not good enough.
Bigby, I can't protect you without the support of this community. The minute you kill another suspect, or rip out someone's throat in a back alley, I won't be able to stop them from calling for your resignation.
Ist mir wurscht. What?
If that happens, I can't defend you.
Okay, Snow. I get it.
Do you? Listen, maybe you were right this time about the Crooked Man, but what happens when you're wrong?
I am not.
The second you make a mistake about someone, I won't watch you become a murderer.
Ich bin doch kein Mörder.
I think it's too late for that.
I know what I'm doing.
Bitch. Oh Gott.
Having some personnel issues, Miss White? Can't control your mutt?
Bluebeard, this is hardly
Bluebeard.
Looks like as long as the wolf thinks you're guilty, he has free reign to murder you in your sleep.
No, that's not
Is this
how.
what we can expect from now on?
Yeah, you make one mistake and Bigby's gonna rip your head off?
Hey, that's not fair.
Nah, he'll just bat you around for a while.
Just don't break the law.
Don't be ridiculous, Beast. I'm not about to...
You think I'm being ridiculous? We all know what you're capable of. You nearly gouged my eyes out.
Beast, please, the sheriff isn't going
You
to.
see? The wolf does whatever the hell he wants, and the princess is no better.
Now, hang on a minute.
You don't believe me? They came to my apartment, and then for no earthly reason, she wanted my tree destroyed.
What?
Why would you do that?
Oh mein Gott, scheiß dich halt an.
She was helping people glamour themselves as other favors. We couldn't let that continue.
I can't say I'm fucking surprised.
I am. Snow, how could you do that?
Don't blame Snow, she had her reasons. Greenleaf was using her magic to help Crane and the Crooked Man. That's why Snow wanted your tree burned.
That's not why. You can pretend it's about law and order, but it's time you stopped lying to yourself. You wanted to get back at me for what Crane did. But that doesn't justify it. You both just act out of your own selfish desires. It doesn't matter what's right.
Ich glaube, sie ist die
At this
Böse.
point, I'd rather have Crane.
Ich glaube, ich muss sie umbringen.
You
Ja.
don't mean that.
At least Crane didn't kick the shit out of everybody.
Or destroy what's ours.
He also earned the position.
Don't start.
What the hell is wrong with you? You fucked up your own lives, dealing with criminals. making
Ah,
your
ich
own
verliere die
fucking
Crowd, ist mir doch
choices.
wurscht.
And now you
Aber
wanna
das ist
blame
doch die
us for your
Wahrheit.
screwed up situation. I've been trying to fix the mess you made.
How dare you?
Is this how it's gonna be?
Ja.
You're gonna blame us.
Bigby's right. You people don't know what the fuck you're talking
Ja,
about.
genau.
Do you seriously think you want Crane back? He was an asshole, and he didn't do shit for any of you. Snow and Bigby found my sister, when Crane wouldn't even look.
Yeah, but they only came around when they thought it was Snow White who ate it.
No, they cared about Lily. They care about all of us.
Ja.
Even if they've got a funny way of showing it.
Thank
Ja.
you, Holly.
Oh, come on, Holly. Maybe Snow gives a fuck, but Bigby?
Alter.
I mean, this I get. But I didn't do shit wrong, and I got tossed around your fucking bar.
That was different, Greg.
Weil er mich angegriffen hat.
Crooked Man took over my shop, but Bigby tried to help me out.
Na also.
Everyone, please, just calm down.
We have a right to be heard.
Halt's Maul, du.
What we have to say?
This isn't helping.
I'm not finished.
Like we give a
Need
shit.
some help, Miss White?
Everyone just shut up!
Or what? Don't.
Ich werde einfach jeden umbringen.
Do not blame the sheriff for his outburst. It isn't Bigby's fault. He can't control his nature. And frankly, I wouldn't dare ask him to try.
Das war ein dummes Arschloch,
But
oder?
with a sheriff so impulsive,
Was?
shouldn't the new deputy mayor have
lebt
at
noch?
least some command over her office?
Beard?
Are either of them fit to run this town?
Can I say something?
Excuse me?
Narissa.
Hä?
Who the hell is she?
My name is Narissa.
Well, Narissa, please step aside.
Halt die Fresse, du Bitch. Ja? Pussy, geh weg jetzt.
I haven't been able to speak my mind for a long time. We were prisoners at that club. We had nowhere to go. No one cared enough. Certainly not Crane. You're acting like they haven't done anything good in the last few days, but you know that's not true.
Ja, das stimmt.
Because of the sheriff and Snow, I can finally
Oh,
talk
endlich.
about what happened to me. To all of us. We're free now.
Ja.
And I think that should count for something.
Thank you, Narissa.
Erklär weiter. Los, los,
She's right.
los.
We haven't been
Ja.
there for you in the past. And I'll be the first to admit we've made plenty of mistakes. But I truly want what's best for this town, and we're trying to make things right. And that may not always be clear right away. But I want you all to know that I care deeply about all of you. And I'm sure Bigby does too.
Natürlich.
It's going to take some time to clean up Crane's mess, but he's gone now. The Crooked Man is dead. The killer has been found, and you can all rest easy knowing we're here to look out for you. I'll make sure of it.
While that's all very touching, is it enough?
No.
I'm still not convinced Miss White has what it takes to control the sheriff or run this town.
Ich glaube, du hast einen Stock im Arsch, du
Really given him a
Bitch.
chance. Crane just left. Let's see what's
Ja, eben, oder?
I trust Snow to do right by us. Bigby too.
Ja. Ah, er grinst. Das erste Mal, dass du gegrinst hast. Alter, die dumme Bitch, ey, die kann doch mal die Fresse halten, oder?
Maybe you don't feel it, but I do. Bigby and Snow are good for Fabletown.
Ja.
She's right. Now that things have settled down, I'm sure
Der
they can
Crooked Man
do
hat eine
better.
Bombe gegessen, genau. Die genau eine Stunde nach Tod hochgeht.
Of course we will. We're not like Crane. We'll look out for you.
Ja.
We'll see.
Am Boden schmeißen, drauf treten. Ne?
It's finally over.
Good riddance, at least.
This won't end well. It's over now.
Das ist doch nicht das Ende, oder? Das ist viel zu kurz, wäre das jetzt schon. Das wäre das eine Stunde, ist das jetzt. Nee, da fehlt noch. Ich muss ihn da reinschmeißen, oder? Aber das kann doch nicht jetzt, das kann doch kein gutes Ende nehmen. Also wenn das Ende ist, dann bin ich echt enttäuscht. Aber übelst enttäuscht. Weil das wäre überhaupt nichts, das wäre ein gutes Ende, das wäre scheiße.
Hey, Sheriff.
Er ist der Mörder.
Truck off? We're leaving for the farm in a few. Thought you might want to. I don't know.
I'll be down in a minute.
Okay. Great.
This fucking line.
Sie hat einen Ribbon.
Oh, Mr. Wolf, Flycatcher left his keys.
Listen, Snow, can we talk? I wanted to...
I'm sorry, Sheriff. I have to take care of this. We'll talk later, okay?
Ich glaube nicht. Ich glaube, sie stirbt.
Good morning, Miss White.
You're late.
Was für ein dummer Wichser ist das nur, hey. Der Typ, oder? Der Typ kann nicht einfach mal die Fresse halten.
Someone's gonna see you, Colin.
Oh Gott, ich dachte, er ist tot. Und es ist der Flycatcher, der tot im Fahrstuhl liegt. Das wäre krass gewesen. Wie soll denn bitte das Schwein die Tür aufmachen, hey? Ich bin gespannt, was jetzt da noch passiert. Der Teil 4 dauerte schon 2 Stunden. Und das ist auch angebracht, finde ich. Weil jede Staffel, jeder Teil, Episode, keine Ahnung, dauert 2 Stunden. Das ist okay. Das sind 8 Stunden. Oder ungefähr 8, 7, 6, 7, 8 Stunden. Oder ich glaube, der ist der Mörder. Ja, ja.
I'm going! Jesus!
We only have like 5 minutes.
Carry me, for fuck's sake! I don't give a shit! You forgot these.
Oh, thank you. It's been pretty busy around here.
Ja.
Morning, Sheriff.
Ja, mei.
Fucking day. Shit! Just go grab that, would you? Sorry about all this. I know this isn't your ideal situation here.
Oh Mann, hey.
Wait! Sheriff Bigby! I have something.
You know, he was up crying all night, poor kid.
Oh.
Can you give this to Miss White, please?
Ich glaube, er ist der Mörder.
Dad
Ja.
says there's no time to say goodbye, so if you could bring it to her.
Yeah, sure.
I couldn't take them all with me, and she said she liked that one the best. It's a willow beetle. That's a big one. They're cool, because when they're little, they have these pouches that squirt juice at you if you touch them.
I'm sure she'll love it.
She said it was pretty.
We're about ready to head out.
What's it like at the
Gott.
farm? I've heard ogres live there, and they eat people in their sleep
Das war so
sometimes.
süß von dem kleinen Froschkind,
Do we have
dass
to
der
go?
Mörder ist.
I want to stay here.
Well, we don't have a choice anymore.
Don't worry. You'll be a lot safer there. There's plenty of space to run around, and a nice river nearby so you can swim all you want.
Even in daytime?
Of course.
You don't have to worry about the Mundies seeing you. It'll be nice.
Ach, ist das
It
traurig.
won't be so bad.
Have you been there before?
No. Some of the animals aren't comfortable around wolves. So you wouldn't know, would you?
We're all set.
Bye, Mr. Wolf.
Tschüss, DJ.
Hey,
Tschüss.
Bigby. Where's your friend, Colin? Where's the fucking pig?
How should I know?
Ja, ich bin echt ein dummes Arschloch jetzt in dem Playthrough. Also es gibt schon 2 Game of Thrones Spiele, Tarsel.
Saying goodbye?
Was macht sie jetzt? What?
Hi.
Hi.
Aber warum trägt sie so ein Ribbon?
Wearing that thing.
Oh. Yeah. I guess I am. It's not easy to forget.
Ich hoffe, sie kann es runter tun, ohne dass ihr... Oh, remove Ribbon. Ah. Bestimmt fällt dann ihr Kopf runter und der Mörder ist... Ich bin der Mörder.
It's just...
You need to let that go. How are you gonna move on if
Bigby, I know you're trying to help. But this is just something I need to do on my own.
Oh Gott. Ich würde es
Listen,
echt gern sehen.
I came here because
Ich würde sie einfach runterreißen,
I have
gerne
to
das
tell you
Ribbon.
something.
What is it?
Sie ist der Mörder.
It's about what happened to Faith and Lily. I'm not sure where to start.
Ja.
Faith, Lily and I, we had this plan. We were gonna find a way out. Leave the pudding and pie for good. But then Faith decided to get some leverage. She stole a picture of Crane and Lily together. The minute Faith stole that photo, we had dirt on one of the Crooked Man's allies. If he found out...
Oh.
I had no choice. You have to understand. You've seen how they kept us quiet in that place. Can you imagine the lengths they go just to silence someone who had physical evidence?
Narissa, just tell me what happened.
Da bin ich jetzt gespannt.
I freaked out, okay? I thought if I came clean to Georgie, he'd get the Crooked Man to leave us alone. We could just forget the whole thing. Maybe try again in a few years.
You what?
So I told him everything. And I begged for mercy for all of us. I didn't want anyone to die over a picture.
So you sold them out.
What?
Yes.
Ah.
Georgie promised he'd smooth things over with the Crooked Man.
Alle sind die Mörder, Death Note. Alle.
What happened? Can you tell me anything else?
I don't know what happened, but that night at the club, Georgie came back and told me things had changed. He had to make an example of us. We had committed treason. And while the two of us were sitting there, as he was telling me this, Faith walked in, and I had to watch while Georgie... It was my fault. I sold them out. And she just...
Ja, was ist denn? Mann, sag doch, was los ist. Hat er jetzt ihren Kopf abgerissen oder was? Ich weiß nicht, was da passiert ist.
That night, after Faith,
Ah, okay, sie ist gestorben.
I tried to warn Lily,
Ja.
but she wasn't with her scheduled appointment. So I did the only thing I could do.
And fly away.
I left Faith's head at your doorstep.
Sie war das?
I walked her over here, and I left her, just hoping that maybe if I couldn't save them, could at least save the rest of us.
Ah, ich hab nix gedrückt, ich Arschloch. Ah! Fuck that. Die Zeit vergeht aber auch zu langsam, zu schnell.
I just pointed you in the right direction. People like us get forgotten all the time. The Crooked Man was counting on that. When we suffer, we do it in silence. And the world likes it that way. We just fade, like we never existed. I couldn't watch that happen to Faith. Poor Lily. Nobody cares about us.
Da ist er.
Not really.
Die Maus.
I'm sorry, Narissa. I'm sorry that's what it took to get me to pay attention.
Oh Gott, ja.
You'll be different now. You'll make things right. You and Snow.
I don't know. Seems like no matter what I do, it's just not enough for her, or anyone. I just can't win with these people.
I know it might feel that way, but they need you, Bigby. Both of you. You two make a good team. The way you look out for each other, and look out for us. You don't see that a lot these days.
Snow doesn't really need me.
I'm sure that's not true.
Oh mein Gott, ey.
After everything you've done for us, maybe they don't want to admit it, but without you, none of this would have happened. You listened when no one else would.
Ja, ich bin schon echt verdammt toller Typ, oder?
No matter the cost. And you brought justice to this town.
Aber ich glaube echt nicht, also...
If you hadn't killed the crooked man back there, he would have just talked his way out of it like he always does.
Ja, klar.
So from where I'm standing, you did the right thing. You've been given this job for a reason. And I left Faith at your doorstep because I knew if anyone stood a chance against the crooked man, it was you.
I hope I've at least done some good here.
You've changed this place.
Wehe, Tarzan spoilert mich jetzt schon wieder, verdammte Scheiße. Warte doch einfach, bis es passiert. Mensch, ich denke immer noch Black oder Bluebeard ist der Böse. Jetzt bekommt sie einen Kopfschuss. Was? Erinnerung? Böse Erinnerung?
I need to tell you something. I have to tell you something.
I feel like we've met before.
You're trying to place me. You like my ribbon? Do you like it?
Faith wore one too. Would hide her beauty so she could escape his kingdom.
They used to call me the Little Mermaid.
Dr. Swinehart ever get back to you about Faith?
He said he wanted to run more tests. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Oh Gott, was ist das? Was ist passiert?
I'll see you around, Wolf.
Was? Das darf's nicht das Ende sein. Was? Was? Ich habe jetzt das nicht ganz verstanden, was jetzt da passiert ist. Oh Gott, das haben weniger als 50% den Typen umgebracht. Das ist ja grausam. Did you give the crooked man a trial? No, I didn't, of course. Ah, okay. Aber... Oh, das ist toll, dass fast jeder das Ding akzeptiert. Ach so, was die letzten Worte waren. Na gut. Oh Gott. Aber... Was heißt das jetzt? Special Stats. Schön. You offered him protection at the business office, ja. Ja gut, ich habe den umgebracht. Na gut. So, Holly. You pretended to be the woodsman. Ach ja, genau. Da war sie ja betrunken oder keine Ahnung, unconscious. Da habe ich ja gesagt, ich bin der Woodsman. Oh, ich habe sogar versprochen, dass ich gesagt habe, ich bringe den Leben zurück. Ach, scheiße. Und Tiny Tim, ich habe auf ihn gewartet. Ja. Ja. Okay. Was heißt es? Was ist es? Was? Oh Gott. Was soll denn das? Was? Da war so viel Zeit dazwischen. Von den ganzen Sachen, die passiert sind. Es waren ja Sachen aus der ersten Episode waren das ja Sachen. Fuck that. Die Spielzeit war 1 Stunde und, ja gut, durch nochmal neu machen 10 Minuten. Also ein bisschen länger als 1 Stunde war das Game jetzt, die Episode, die letzte. Ich glaube, ich muss das sofort nochmal spielen oder morgen. Die kompletten 5 Teile. Warum? Das ergibt halt überhaupt keinen Sinn jetzt gerade für mich. Was soll denn das? Da waren jetzt gerade so viele Stimmen, ich kenne davon 4/5 nicht mehr. Dass die eine in Therapie war und noch mehr Tests machen muss. Und wer spricht denn da mit mir? Und was hat das jetzt geheißen? Das, was? Und wo geht sie jetzt hin, verdammt? Ach, ich hasse das. Offene Enden sind eigentlich gut, aber doch nicht, wenn ich nicht weiß, was passiert dann. Nee, Tasel. Ich weiß nicht, wann ich SWTOR stream. Das mache ich spontan dann. Aber fuck shit. Das war ja wirklich schnell jetzt. Wow. And you. Oh. Dankeschön. Wow. Kann mir irgendjemand in die Kommentare oder in den Chat schreiben, was jetzt eigentlich was das Ende war? Mann. Das würde mich sehr freuen. Ja. Continue the story. Oh, pick up a graphic novel today. Das ist ja schön. Das wäre echt interessant. Wenn es da weitergehen würde, würde ich mir die alle kaufen sofort. Mensch. Was gibt's als Extras? Ich glaube bloß die vergangenen gewählten Sachen. Book of Fables, ja. Player Choices. Habe ich alle Achievements gesammelt oder was? Nein, habe ich nicht. Ach, da fehlt mir immer eins. Ah. Immer die andere Wahl, okay. Und da fehlt mir Unlock all Book of Fables Entries. Okay, da fehlt mir eine. Schön. Ja gut, das ist halt das komplette. Da fehlt mir 1. Ne, 4 fehlen mir. Ja, Duncan, auf jeden Fall stimmt was irgendwo nicht. Mit ihr. Aber ich hätte fragen sollen, warum der Ring in dem Mund? Warum hat sie einen Ring in den Mund gelegt? Weil da war doch der Kopf mit dem Ring am Ende. Am Anfang. Man hört seine eigenen Gedanken und die von einem Arzt und die von Faith und Lily und Narissa. Und die sagen alle ziemlich das Gleiche. Und das kommt ihm bekannt vor und dann ist irgendwas anders. Ach du Scheiße, oder? Ach du Scheiße. Oh mein Gott. Was war das nur? Ich danke euch fürs Zuschauen hier im Stream. Ich denke, der Stream geht noch ein bisschen weiter mit irgendwas. Und danke für die Zuschauer auf YouTube. Seid doch beim nächsten Livestream dabei. Bis dahin, bleibt so schön. Tschüss.